Okay, so on this 2012 Ford Focus, one of the main problems is the TCM module with the transmission. Now, one of the easy fixes is a ground strap fix. So right here you have a ground, and then up under your air box here you have two grounds. The problem is they painted the metal and put the ground strap on top of it, so it gets a horrible connection, if really anything. So what everybody's doing is they are taking these straps loose, grinding back behind them. What we're going to use is a Dremel with a stone bit on it, and we're going to grind it to where it'll touch bare metal to bare metal on the strap and where it's mounted. So we're going to take this bolt here off, we're going to take this air box out, and we'll grind the paint down from underneath the straps. We'll put them back together and see if that helps, fixes the problems that we are having. Now, I've seen other YouTube videos where it definitely helped them and it fixed their problem. Whether it'll fix mine or not, I don't know. I had no problems at all with this car. And then just all of a sudden it started where it'll kind of slip into neutral every once in a while when you're trying to go down the road. Hill assist not available comes on. The tire pressure, the TPM tire pressure monitoring system light comes on. So, if this is going to fix our problem or not, I don't know, but we're definitely going to give it a try because it don't cost anything. All right, we'll go ahead and take this air box out. Take the rubber strap off of there. Let's see. Remove the hose clamp from the throttle body. We got a little tab down here. Pull up on that. And then there's another tab down here that you can't see, so you just pull up on this end. Okay. Disconnect our mass airflow sensor here. And then pull it right up out of here. This is the tab I was telling you to pull up on that was in the back. So this sits like this. You take the rubber strap off of the front here. It also latches around this little tab right here. So make sure you not only take it off the top, but also off the bottom. Take the clip off your mass airflow sensor. Pull up on this tab back in the back. And then over here on this side, you can't see it down there, so you'll just pull up on the side, but there's the tab that sticks down in there. All right, now with that, it exposes the ground strap, and these don't look good. They look actually rusted. Let me show you. All right, so here we are. This is one of them. This one looks really bad. And then here's another one. So we're going to clean those two up. I'm going to take the Dremel to both the strap and the paint beneath it. And and then I will tighten the straps back down, these two and this one here, and we'll see if that does us any good. All right, so with this being a Ford, you would think this would be standard and not metric, but you'd be wrong. This is a 13 millimeter right here. Already loosened this one up, as you can tell. So this one's a 13 millimeter, and these down here are 10 millimeter. Now, before I go any further, you should probably do this first. I'm gonna just remove the battery cables. I only have them, well, I didn't think I had them tightened down, do I? Not really. Okay. So that way you can't be trying to take this off and flip it around and hit the positive cable. You could still hit the positive terminal, so you might want to cover that up, but I've already got this one off and I've got control with my ratchet, so I'm not worried about doing that. If you're worried about doing that, you should set something on top of that poster, take the battery out. These straps definitely don't look good. Let me show you a closer view. All right, so there's the strap, front and back. And you can tell, you can see some metal there. I mean, for the most part, it's, you know, good connection there. But here though, even down where the screw threads through, you see paint down in there. So I can see why people are saying this works, because you're not getting a very good connection. So now this one looks pretty clean down in there as far as paint goes, but I could tell it was not getting a good connection when I started taking it loose before I disconnected the battery. So we're gonna clean all this up now, and we'll see if it helps us. So we got this cleaned up, front and back. We got us some good clean spots to go to. So now we're going to put these back together, and our codes were cleared because we took the battery loose. So we'll put it back together. The codes will be cleared, so we'll start off fresh and we'll see if this fixes the problem. All right, so all of these now are ready to go. All I need to do now is connect my battery cable back, and then we're going to take this thing for a ride. All right, while we got this air box out, I want to show y'all the transmission control module that causes all these problems. It's right here. So it's kind of large, as you can see. It goes down through there. This is the connectors that go to it. You see right there, there's two of them. And the way to get to that, to replace it, is to take the driver's side front tire off and get to it through the wheel well. That's the best way to get to it, because if you try to get to it to take it off from here, you could do it, but it wouldn't be fun. Okay guys, in my case, the ground strap modification, or the ground strap fix, did not work. Most of the people that was working for was saying they was receiving a communications error on their DTCs, or diagnostic trouble codes, when they pulled the codes on the car. I was not receiving a connection error code, so maybe that's why it didn't work for me. I've got something else going on. I kind of figured that it was the transmission control module needs to either be replaced or flashed. I hope this information helps somebody out there. I know certain people, this fix is working. It doesn't cost anything, so it's a great thing to try, and hopefully it works for you. If y'all would, please drop us a like, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel. See more content. Thanks, guys.